Anyways, so now last session we just checked it, like how to avoid the parent d which forcibly need to add. So that is something which React itself providing, which is we going to see now. So this is our UI. Okay, so currently we are not wrap up this content with any kind of HTML elements. So there is another way which we can use by simply just pass something like this. This also this will works. So this it won't give any error. And if you inspect and see under the root, under the body, you are not seeing any kind of a div, which is this is a body level div only there. So this is looks fine. Okay, this is one approach which we can try alternately creating a custom. And there is another things which React itself providing something called fragments. So this what it helps is this also do the same. Just page got refreshed. If you see again there is a no div under that. So whatever we are doing with the custom classes which do same by the fragments. So necessarily we no need to go and add every time the reference. You can just go and import it over here. Okay. Then you can directly go and avoid this. Okay. So this also it will work actually.